Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then scroll down again. Click on Display Refresh Rate and tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. I will go with Standard, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my phone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!